Welcome to your software engineering interview. Could you explain what a CPU is? Central Processing Unit, or CPU, is actually super simple. It's the brain of your computer. Its entire job is to execute instructions. But what does that actually mean? Every program you run gets broken down into tiny instructions. The CPU reads those instructions one by one and executes them instantly, insanely fast. Billions of times per second. Can you give me an example? When you open the calculator app and type 2 plus 2, the CPU fetches that instruction, performs the addition, and sends the result back to the screen. That simple calculation is still just a bunch of instructions being executed really fast. So is a faster CPU is just the one that runs quicker? Pretty much. Clock speed tells you how many cycles per second the CPU can do. More cycles, more instructions processed, but that's not the whole story. What about cores? A core is basically a CPU inside the CPU. One core can do one thing at a time. More cores mean you can do more things in parallel. One core for your browser, one core for your code, one core for your Spotify app. Okay, but why do some programs still feel slow? Because not everything can run in parallel. Some tasks must be done in order. In those cases, single core performance matters more than having 64 cores you will never fully use. Can you explain how does the CPU talk to memory? The CPU is insanely fast, but random access memory or RAM is slower. That's why we have caches. Tiny ultra-fast memory sitting next to the CPU so it doesn't have to wait all the time. So a CPU is basically a machine built to execute instructions as fast and efficiently as possible. Every app, every click, every line of code runs through it. That's the heart of computing.